As we have now just passed the autumnal equinox, it is appropriate to welcome in the sign of balance, which is Libra. So let's go through some things about Libras. Libra season typically happens between September 23rd and October 22nd during the calendar year. And appropriately, their symbol are the scales because they're very much about balance because it's the balancing or middle point of the zodiacal year. I like to attribute the air sign of Libra into an autumn breeze that happens as just the summertime is ending. And just like their sister sign Taurus, they are also ruled by the planet of Venus, which is the planet of love and pleasure. And appropriately, the key word for Libras is I balance, since again, they are the sign of the scales. In medical astrology, Libra rules not only the kidneys, but they also rule the bladder, as well as the lower back musculature that you can see right here and here. Some of the light sides of Libras is that they are very balanced, social, diplomatic, fair, and polite. Some of the shadow aspects of Libras is that they can be very indecisive. They love, so they can get themselves caught up in relationships just because they want to place a person within that scope of love, and they tend to avoid conflict. Again, I will do a follow-up video on Libra health conditions from a medical astrology and chiropractic perspective. What I will say though is many of the times that Libras actually do have issues, it's with blood sugar regulation. Oftentimes I'll see a lot of Libras have a coffee addiction because they just need that to just keep going. Being that they're an air sign, they're kind of fluttering and doing their own thing every which way. And they're also trying to be very diplomatic at that same time with that. So make sure you take care of your lower back if you are a Libra. So make sure you're doing your squats, make sure you're doing your hip thrusts, your lunges, and keeping your lower body strong. In the future, we'll talk about some more Libra conditions. Until then, have a beautiful and happy and prosperous Libra season.